Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of 100 days of code. In today's lessons, you're going to be learning about data types, numbers, operations, type conversion, f-strings, and a whole lot more. And by the end of today, you will have learned enough to build a tip calculator. So it looks a bit like this. It says, welcome to the tip calculator. It asks you for the total bill that you need to pay. So let's say it came to $124.54. We hit enter, and then it asks you how many people do you want to split the bill between. So let's say there's 5 of us having the meal, and it asks you finally, what percentage tip would you like to give? So let's say we give a 12% tip. Now it's going to calculate what each person should pay, taking into account all of these pieces of information that you've put in. So I know that I'm pretty bad at maths, especially when it comes to splitting bills, and I'm normally the person who just says, yeah, just tell me what I need to pay so I don't have to calculate it. It's like the bad at math tax that I pay. But in order to build this, you're going to need to learn some new skills, including working with numbers, converting data types from one type to another, and a whole lot more. So if you feel like you can tackle this no problems, then feel free to skip today's lessons. But I bet that there'll be loads of stuff that you'll come across in the upcoming lessons and coding exercises that's really going to make you a better developer. So once you're ready to get started, head over to the next lesson and let's start coding.